Welcome to the channel, Crypto DNA. Today we are going to highlight a new trading opportunity. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. These are the top 5 artificial intelligence stocks. Number 5, Palantir Sector Technology, ticker PLTR, trades on the New York Stock Exchange, market cap 28.9 billion, dividend yield is 0, PE ratio is 0. Number 4, Tesla Sector Technology, ticker TSLA, trades on the Nasdaq Exchange, market cap 610 billion, dividend yield is 0, PE ratio is 54.3 times. Number 3, Amazon Sector Technology, ticker AMZN, trades on the Nasdaq Exchange, market cap 1.17 trillion, dividend yield is 0, PE ratio is 279 times. Check the description for the latest deals and promotions. You can also visit our website for more content, merchandise, and other special offers. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Number 2, Alphabet Sector Technology, ticker GOOGL, trades on the Nasdaq Exchange, market cap 1.59 trillion, dividend yield is 0, PE ratio is 27.9 times. Number 1, Microsoft Sector Technology, ticker MSFT, trades on the Nasdaq Exchange, market cap 2.48 trillion, dividend yield is 0.8%, PE ratio is 35 times. If you own these stocks, you will profit from the artificial intelligence revolution. Don't get left behind.